How to switch between demo and real account in Quotex. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are in Quotex and trying to figure out how to switch between demo and real account, then here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the Quotex application or website and log into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage logged in, go ahead and click on the drop down at the top right corner right in front of deposit. Once you tap on that, you'll see this pop-up menu where you'll be able to choose between demo and live account. If you want to switch to demo account, then click on demo account option. Once you're inside the demo section, you can go ahead and practice. You'll be provided a virtual fund which you can use while practicing trading. If you want to switch between live account or real account, then you can come back to this same drop down and click on live account option. And that's how you can switch between demo and live account in Quotex. Only switch to the live or real account when you feel confident. Both accounts works the same way, only money is different. And that's it. Switching between demo and real account in Quotex is actually pretty quick once you know where the button is hidden. Now you can practice anytime and move to real trading whenever you're ready. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.